Are you ready to transform your health, boost your energy, and shed those extra pounds the delicious way? The 21-day smoothie diet is designed to help you achieve rapid weight loss while enjoying easy-to-make, nutrient-packed smoothies that taste amazing. These smoothies are not only refreshing and satisfying but also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and natural goodness that fuel your body and support incredible health. So, if you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to kickstart your wellness journey, you're in the right place. Let's get into the video for more.
Your life? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 21-day Smoothie Diet Challenge. Let's dive in and discover the incredible benefits of this program. Benefit number 1, rapid weight loss. By following this program, you'll create a caloric deficit, resulting in steady weight loss. It's a low-calorie approach that can help you shed those extra pounds. Benefit number 2, detoxification. Kickstart your journey with a 3-day detox plan. This plan helps cleanse your body, remove toxins, and prepare it for optimal nutrient absorption. Benefit number 3, reduced sugar cravings. The natural sugars found in fruits help satisfy your sweet tooth while leaving you feeling fuller for longer. Say goodbye to those pesky sugar cravings. Benefit number 4, increased nutrition intake. Most people struggle to meet the recommended daily intake of fruits and vegetables. With the 21-day smoothie diet, you'll effortlessly increase your intake and enjoy the benefits of essential vitamins and minerals. Benefit number 5, improved digestion. Packed with fiber from fruits and vegetables, these smoothies support healthy digestion, helping you maintain regularity and reduce the risk of digestive issues.
So, how does the 21-day smoothie diet work? It's simple. You'll replace 2 meals per day, typically breakfast and lunch, with mouth-watering smoothies packed with nutritious fruits and vegetables. Additionally, you'll enjoy 1 regular low-calorie meal and 2 satisfying low-calorie snacks every day.
Now let's explore the standout features of the 21-day smoothie diet. Firstly, it provides a comprehensive ebook format that includes delicious smoothie recipes, meal and snack suggestions, and convenient shopping lists. It's everything you need to kickstart your weight loss journey. Now let's talk about the mastermind behind this incredible program. Drew Segudas, a respected health coach and self-proclaimed nutrition expert, has developed the 21-day smoothie diet to help his clients achieve long-lasting weight loss results. His expertise and passion for health and wellness shine through in every aspect of this program.
How can you take part in the 21-day smoothie diet challenge? It's as easy as can be. Simply follow the provided smoothie recipes, weekly shopping list, and guidelines. You won't need to count calories or worry about complicated meal planning. It's a hassle-free way to jumpstart your weight loss journey.
In just 21 days, you'll experience incredible benefits. You'll witness weight loss due to the calorie deficit created by the low-calorie intake. You'll also have the option to begin with a 3-day detox plan to kickstart your journey. Additionally, you'll reduce sugar cravings, increase your intake of vital nutrients, and meet your daily fiber requirements.
Remember, a healthy and balanced diet, adequate calorie intake, and regular physical activity are key to sustainable weight loss and overall well-being. But what if you're wondering, what if it doesn't work for me? We've got you covered. We offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied within 2 months, we'll refund your investment. Your happiness is our priority.
Don't miss out on this risk-free opportunity. Click the link below to start your 21-day smoothie diet challenge and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with our 60-day money-back guarantee.
Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Click the link below and start your 21-day smoothie diet challenge. Your success story begins now.
So, if you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to kickstart your wellness journey, you're in the right place. Let's get into the video for more. Click the link in description.